All right, so this is the main issue that I can see that this product having is these here do not hold into the wood. Obviously, this is some cheap quality wood, so it's not the best quality. But I was only tightening it up. I could hear the wood in there moving, you know, making some crunching noise, so I didn't tighten it up too tight. Went to go ahead and lift it up, and then they just came out. You know, no issues, no resistance, just popped straight up out. So as you can see that there are more holes like this, I could try and put some like wood glue in here and tighten them up all around the other end. But as far as it goes with the first issue, I haven't even fully assembled it yet. Like, I still have the board here, I still have this here, I still got that over there. I haven't even finished assembling it yet, and I've already ran into the first issue with the wood just not being of good quality.
So definitely please ignore my daughter's mess, but I just wanted to show you guys how the lights work. And there's like different options. Very cool.
He's right here and he's right here.